Welcome to the complete FE Civil Exam Prep playlist from Open Exam Prep. This free course gives civil engineering candidates a structured path through 86 numbered lessons, followed by a related long-form FE Civil guide. The FE Civil exam has 110 computer-based questions in a 6-hour appointment. NCEES provides 5 hours and 20 minutes of exam time, plus tutorial and scheduled break time. Results are reported as pass or fail, and NCEES does not publish a fixed raw passing score. Always confirm current registration details with NCEES and your state licensing board. The course begins with exam structure, pacing, calculator rules, reference handbook navigation, and a practical study plan. It then builds the common engineering foundation through mathematics and statistics, ethics and professional practice, engineering economics, statics, dynamics, mechanics of materials, and fluid mechanics. The civil-specific lessons cover surveying, water resources and environmental engineering, structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, transportation engineering, and construction engineering. You will practice selecting equations, managing units, reading diagrams, and finding the right handbook section under time pressure. The official FE Civil specification groups the exam into 14 knowledge areas. This playlist connects those areas instead of treating formulas as isolated facts. The lessons move from core concepts into applied civil problems, then finish with mixed topic review, pacing, educated guessing, flagged question strategy, and exam day preparation. Use each numbered episode as a focused lesson. Keep the current NCEES FE Reference Handbook open while you study so equation selection and search speed become part of your problem-solving routine. Start with this introduction, then complete episodes 1 through 86 in order. After the numbered course, use the related long-form FE Civil Guide to consolidate the current format, topic weights, handbook strategy, and study plan. For free FE Civil practice questions, a complete study guide, and AI-powered explanations, visit openexamprep.com. Use the live NCEES FE exam page and current FE Civil specifications as the source of truth before you register.